Hello students, today we will do some numericals based on lens. Lens equation, just like mirror equation, consists of terms like focal length. Focal length is distance between the optical center and the focus. In the case of a mirror, it was between the focus and the pole of the mirror. And here it is a lens and it is transparent. So the light is coming in this direction and it is coming and focusing here. So our focus, if light comes from left to right and passes through, this is going to be our principal focus. This is only a reference point, okay? Because light is coming here and it is passing. Suppose if somebody wants to do in the reverse direction, that's different. This is only for our reference and this is the real focus. There, that means in this case, if I take from left to right. Now, you know there are two other terms, object distance. Object can be a flame, a candle's flame. In such cases, or a pin, in optical bench you will use a pin. And suppose I keep the object somewhere at this point, let us say, okay, and this I keep it as the object, okay, this is the object. Now when I keep the object, naturally light is coming in this direction and focus is here, that's done. So this distance you call it as object distance or U. Now the image is going to form. We know that if the object is between F and 2F, the image will be formed beyond 2F, which we have done using the ray diagram. So the image is coming beyond 2F somewhere here. Let us suppose the image is going to come somewhere here and it will be inverted image and enlarged image. All this we know theoretically. Now this distance from the optical center to where the image is formed, and that is called V. Now what is the connection between F, U and V? Very carefully let us note it. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. You have to be very careful. The lens equation is, there is a negative sign. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Then what is the formula for magnification? That is simply V upon U. Whereas you found in the case of mirror, it was 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon U plus 1 upon V. This was for the mirror. Okay, now it is changing to lens in a different way. And also we said magnification is equal to minus V upon U, whereas here it is not minus V upon U, it is plus V upon U. U object distance, V image distance, and F is the focal length. Now I am going to just solve two numericals based on this formula. Okay, so let me erase the mirror because we are talking about more about object. Okay, so let us keep all this. We don't know where it is, so let me just shorten it for simplicity. I need space actually. Fine. So let me keep it here like this. It will be perpendicular. Right. See, I am going to do the first numerical. So let us say, for example, I got some numericals with me. Let me take it. I have taken it from NCERT textbook of class 10. Class 12, you will have derivation of this, which I will do in the other video. Now for the class of 10th as well as 12th sake, I have taken a numerical, a convex lens. Lenses are of two types. One is convex lens, another is concave lens. I have taken here convex lens. The focal length is 10 centimeter. Now, you have to now remember again, Cartesian coordinate system. In Cartesian coordinate system, the lens is being placed like this, right? And this is the optical center. And whatever you measure in the right is positive, whatever you measure in the left is negative. Whatever you measure upward is positive, whatever you measure downward is negative. You know, this is the Cartesian coordinate system, and the reference point is optical center. In the mirror, it is going to be pole, and we have done numerical based on that. Now, I have to take the data for this equation now. It is given that focal length is equal to 10 centimeter. Now, question arises, is it positive or negative? Simple. Coordinate system, bring it here, right? F is in the positive direction, so it is positive. So, no need for us to write. Next, and the object is placed at a distance of, this is parallel to this, here it is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter. Okay, now we have u is equal to 15 centimeter. But again, Cartesian coordinate system, positive or negative, object is placed in the left side, so the left side is going to be negative. So I will just put a negative sign. Now they are saying, what is the nature, position and size of the image? That is, V is equal to how much? We have to first calculate. That will give us the position. Okay, let us do the numerical first, and then we will take it up further. Okay, so let me erase all this, take the data in a simpler way. Okay, formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, and magnification is equal to simply v upon u. These two I have got it. Now focal length, f is equal to 10 centimeter, u is equal to minus 15 centimeter, and v is equal to how much? Okay, so let me solve the problem. Okay, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Fine. Substitute now. 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon v, which we don't know, minus 1 upon minus 15. Okay, that is 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon v, minus of minus will become plus 1 upon 15. Safety, keep 1 upon v here only, 1 upon 10 here only, plus 1 upon 15 comes this side, it becomes minus 1 upon 15. Now 15 and 10, what is the common denominator? LCM, that is nothing but 30. Very simple, right? It's not very complex problem. 30 is the common denominator. 1 upon 10 into 30, it will go 3 times here. 1 upon 15 into 30, it will go 2 times here. So I have the answer 1 upon 30. What is 1 upon 30? 1 upon V, 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 30, which implies V is equal to 30 centimeter. That means we have found the position of the image. Where is 30 centimeter? Positive 30 centimeter. It lies in the right hand side. Already the focal length is given to be 10 centimeter, right? And this is 10 and this is 22f will be, and it is forming somewhere here, which is something we can take some more distance, right? And the image is formed 10, 20, and it will be 30 here, and the image is formed here at 30. So this is the image distance. Now this is position. What about the nature? It is real. Why is it real? It is crossing the lens. So the image formed is real. Okay, now we need to know, is it magnified? Is it inverted? This can be done only from the magnification, right? So let me go into the next step of it and let us find out what is the magnification. So I have here f is equal to 10 centimeter and u is equal to minus 15 centimeter. We calculated v is equal to now 30 centimeter. With this data, we have to now identify what is the nature. One is real is got. Okay, so m is equal to v upon u. V is 30 divided by u is minus 15. Keep this in mind. 30 upon be careful about the sign convention. This will go 2 times, that is minus 2. Minus 2, do not get worried about the negative sign. It has some meaning. 2, magnification 2. Magnification is twice. That means if the object was 2 centimeter, the image will be 4 centimeter because it is twice the value. Very simple, right? So the image is magnified. The image is magnified. That point is clear. Now next point, we have to know that it is minus sign. What about the minus sign? The minus sign indicates that from reference to the optical center, it is down. That means it is inverted, right? And we said object is AB and image is A dash B dash. So it is inverted image. The negative sign shows that the image is inverted. Okay, with this we have got the clear picture. So as I said to you, object height HO is equal to 2 centimeter. Then what will the image height? Naturally we found, but mathematically we have the formula M is equal to height of the image upon height of the object, which is equal to V upon U. What is V upon U? Minus 2. So height of the image will be equal to minus 2 into height of the object, and we have taken height of the object to be equal to 2 centimeter. So height of the image is equal to 4 centimeter, but there is a negative sign. Again, you know it is magnified, but there is a negative sign because it is going to be inverted. Kindly follow the Cartesian coordinate system, or it is also referred to as sign convention. Sign convention is nothing but positive and negative, and always remember, whether it is a convex lens or concave lens or a thing, optical center will be the reference point, the origin point. I hope you understand this problem, and then I will do in next video another numerical with the concave lens, make you understand the concept better. Thank you so much.